In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to warp text into a shape in Adobe Illustrator using the built-in warp tool. This is one of the fastest and easiest ways to bend, curve, or stylize your text while keeping it fully editable. Whether you're designing a logo, poster, social media graphic, or thumbnail, this technique will help you create dynamic text in just a few clicks. Make sure to stick around until the end so you understand how to control the bend and distortion settings properly. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy Illustrator guides. Let's jump right in. First, open Adobe Illustrator and create a new document or open an existing project where you want to add warp text. Now select the Type tool from the toolbar on the left, or simply press T on your keyboard. Click anywhere on your artboard and type your text. You can adjust the font, size, spacing, and alignment from the top Control panel or the Character panel. It's important to note that you should keep your text live, meaning do not outline it. This method works best when the text is still editable. Once you're happy with how the text looks, switch to the Selection tool by pressing V on your keyboard. Click on the text to make sure it is selected. You'll see the bounding box appear around it, confirming that it's active. Now go to the top menu and click on Object. From the drop-down menu, hover over Envelope Distort and then choose Make with Warp. As soon as you click this option, a Warp Options dialog box will appear on your screen. This is where the magic happens. At the top of the dialog box, you'll see a Style drop-down menu. Click on it and you'll see a variety of preset warp styles. These include Arc, Arc Lower, Arc Upper, Arch, Bulge, Shell Lower, Shell Upper, Flag, Wave, Fish, Rise, Fisheye, Inflate, Squeeze, and Twist. Each of these creates a different type of distortion effect. For example, Arc is great for simple curved text. Flag creates a waving banner effect, and Bulge expands the center outward. Go ahead and click through a few of them to preview how they affect your text. Below the Style option, you'll see the Bend slider. This controls how dramatic the curve is. Drag the slider to the right to increase the bend in a positive direction, or drag it to the left to bend it in the opposite direction. You can also type in a specific percentage if you want precise control. Small adjustments can make a big difference, so take your time here. Under the Bend setting, you'll find Horizontal Distortion and Vertical Distortion sliders. These allow you to stretch or skew the text along either axis. Horizontal distortion will push the sides inward or outward, while vertical distortion affects the top and bottom proportions. These settings are especially useful if you want a more exaggerated or stylized look beyond the basic warp style. Again, you can drag the sliders or enter exact values manually. As you adjust these settings, make sure the preview box is checked so you can see the changes in real time. This helps you fine-tune the effect until it looks exactly how you want. Once you're satisfied with the warp effect, click OK. Your text is now warped into the chosen shape. The best part is that it remains fully editable. If you want to change the wording, simply double-click the text and edit it. If you want to adjust the warp settings again, go back to Object, then Envelope Distort, and choose Edit Warp. This allows you to refine the effect without starting over. And that's how you warp text into a shape in Adobe Illustrator using Envelope Distort and the Warp feature. It's quick, flexible, and perfect for creating eye-catching typography. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Adobe Illustrator tips and design tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.